Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, once you are here on your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now, once you come to Settings and Activity page, scroll down below. And over here, you'll see the category of Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it. Now, over here, you'll see the category of Show Read Receipts. Tap on it. Now, over here, if the toggle for Read Receipts is turned on, simply tap on it to turn it off. Now, with that, your friends on Instagram won't be able to know if you have already read their messages. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.